Welcome back to the channel, family. How are you doing today? It's your girl, Badamosi Omalola, here to help you level up your finances, one smart decision at a time. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, BOOP the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We're all about building wealth with wisdom and a touch of Nigerian flavor. Today, we're tackling something big: financial challenges. We're talking about staying calm, building resilience, and overcoming setbacks like a boss. And guess what? We'll make it fun, action-packed, and full of practical tips you can apply starting today. Let's dive in. Have you ever felt like your finances are a mess, and you just can't catch a break? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm giving you a proven step-by-step strategy to tackle financial chaos and come out stronger. Stick around to the end because I'll also share an amazing bonus challenge to help you build your emergency fund and protect your assets. You don't want to miss this. Step 1. Face the storm. It's okay to feel overwhelmed, but the first step is acknowledging the reality of your financial situation. Write down what you owe, what you earn, and what you need to survive. Be brutally honest, like peeling off a band-aid. Why is this important? You can't fix what you don't know is broken. Seeing the numbers in black and white helps you prioritize and plan. Let's say you're earning $500 a month, but your expenses are $700. Write it down. Break it into categories: rent, food, transport, and extras. Now you have a roadmap to identify leaks in your spending. Pro tip: use a free budgeting app like Mint or Good Budget to make this process even easier. These tools give you visuals of your spending patterns. Drop a bar chart in the comments if you are ready to take this step. But here's the fun twist: give your finances a nickname, like Operation Bounce Back or the Save and Slay Mission. This little hack adds a playful vibe and keeps you motivated. And don't just stop at writing, it's time to color code. Use red for debts, green for income, and yellow for needs. It turns a boring task into a mini art project, and hey, it might just spark your inner budgeting genius. Now, take a deep breath. You've just started the first step to turning chaos into calm. Step 2. Set priorities. Ask yourself, what's the most urgent? What can wait? Focus on needs over wants. Rent, food, utilities, these are must-haves. Say goodbye to daily shawarma for now, at least. Now let's strategize. Start by tracking your expenses. Yes, even that tiny biscuit you bought for 50 naira. When you see where your money is going, it's easier to cut back. If you have debt, start with the smallest amount, snowball method, or the one with the highest interest, avalanche method. Personally, I prefer the snowball method because seeing quick wins keeps me motivated. Here's an extra tip: create a priority chart or a needs versus wants list. Write down everything you spend money on, and rank them by importance. This visual guide can help you make decisions faster when it's time to tighten the belt. Pro tip: if your income is inconsistent, base your budget on your lowest earning month to avoid surprises. Drop a "let's go" in the comments if you're ready to prioritize. Next up, create a safety net. Start building an emergency fund, even if it's just $5 a week. Small drops of water make an ocean, my people. This fund is your buffer when life throws curveballs. Why do you need an emergency fund? Because it keeps you from taking on more debt when unexpected expenses arise. Think of it as your financial first aid kit. Cut back on subscriptions you barely use. Instead of Netflix and chill, try Save and Build. Use the money saved to grow your emergency fund. By the way, we've talked about emergency funds in detail in a previous video, check it out in our playlist. Here's something fun: challenge yourself to find creative ways to save. Maybe it's skipping one fast food meal or negotiating lower rates on a service. Every little effort counts and adds up over time. Pro tip: keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account for easy access and better interest rates. Step 4. Boost your income. You're more resourceful than you think. Start a side hustle or monetize your skills. Can you braid hair? Sell baked goods? Offer online tutoring? No effort is too small. If you're tech-savvy, try freelancing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. A friend of mine made $200 last month just by designing logos part-time. If you're not techy, don't worry. Look around your community for needs you can meet: babysitting, gardening, or even running errands. Here's an extra tip: consider selling items you no longer need. Declutter your home, and list those extra clothes, gadgets, or furniture online. It's like getting paid to tidy up. Pro tip: start small but be consistent. Over time, these small streams can grow into rivers of income. And don't underestimate your network. Ask friends or family if they need help with tasks or services. You might find opportunities closer than you think. Bonus idea: try renting out unused items like tools, equipment, or even a spare room to generate extra cash effortlessly. And remember, no idea is too crazy. Sometimes your unique hobbies can become a profitable venture. Finally, keep your cool. Financial challenges test your patience, but remember, tough times don't last, tough people do. Stay positive, journal your progress, and celebrate small wins. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Why is mindset important? Because financial success starts in your mind. Believe in your ability to turn things around, and you're halfway there. Reward yourself for hitting milestones. Saved $100? Treat yourself to something small but meaningful. It keeps the journey exciting. Pro tip: surround yourself with supportive people and resources. Join online communities or follow finance gurus for inspiration. Here's your bonus challenge: the 30-day calm challenge. For the next 30 days, track your spending, save at least $1 a day, and write down one positive thing about your finances daily. This challenge will transform your mindset and build habits for long-term success. Think of it this way: each dollar saved is a small victory, and those positive notes will remind you of your progress when times feel tough. Pro tip: share your progress in the comments or tag us on social media. We'd love to cheer you on. And hey, who knows? Your story might inspire someone else to take charge of their finances, too. That's it, my people, practical tools to stay calm and resilient through financial chaos. Which tip are you starting with today? Let me know in the comments. And remember, we've covered some of these steps in our earlier videos, so check those out for deeper insights. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. BOLP the like button if you found value today, and share your thoughts or questions below. If there's a topic you want us to cover, I've got you covered. Till next time, stay calm, stay strong, and keep chasing those financial dreams. We're in this together. Bye for now.